Hello everyone, welcome back to Finance Lingo. In this video, I'll be teaching you on how to trade unit shares. Unit shares referring to trading of shares which is less than 100 shares. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, we'll start with the disclaimer. This video does not constitute a recommendation and offer or solicitation to subscribe for or purchase or sell the investment product mentioned herein. Okay, so let's start off. So how do you sell shares when you have actually less than 100 shares? Maybe let's say you have 99 shares or 80 shares in the stock market. Since every transaction here, what we are looking at here is we are looking at minimum 100 shares. So in case that you have maybe let's say 80 shares or odd number shares, maybe 87, 85 shares, how do we sell the shares? So I'll guide you on how to do that. Okay, so when you log into Poems 2.0, so this is what you see. So go to click this new button, select stock, next select SGX unit share price. Okay, thereafter click done. Now you'll be displayed with this SGX unit share. You probably see no data, no worry. Right, maximize the window. Next, you select the stocks of the name the stock that you want. So let's maybe we select OCBC. So you go to O. Now we look for OCBC. Okay, here you have OCBC unit shares at 947 and 957. All right. Do you notice that the share price tend to be the gap, the spread tend to be a little wide? This is very common in the unit shares. Okay, so now how do we trade the unit shares? Okay, some people tend to double click and you'll be pop up with the dialog box and you still appear that the trade size remained at 100. Okay, do not double click on that. Okay, as I said, do not double click the unit share. All right, instead do a right click, select trade. You will be pop out a dialog box and it says lot size less than 100. So in this case, you can key in maybe 50 shares and decide the unit price that you want. Okay, so 947. Okay, so for unit shares, you'll be prompted with two further options: day or FOK. Okay, day trade means you actually get to queue in the system. Okay, but do note that when you queue in the system, partial done is possible. And for unit shares, because the contract value is very small, I strongly suggest not doing so. Okay, if you do and experience a partial done, the brokerage will still count as one trade. So you do need to take notes of this. Okay, so at the same time, do submit the order early. All right, preferably the morning, so that in case you do have a partial done, you can still remedy at the afternoon and sell off the remaining shares. Okay, so FOK means if fill or kill. It means either a transaction get fully done or not. Okay, there's no partial done situation. However, there's no queuing in the system for such order as well. So do take note of that. So you probably can just select day order if you want to queue. Alternative, just sell at whatever price the bid price is. Okay. Thereafter, you just click sell and you prompt with the password. All right. So this is how you sell a unit shares. So what about the brokerage? So you guys can just go to this website poems.com.sg and you will be shown with this promotion. The trading for your unit shares is $10 commission minimum, and this promotion is said to be valid till 30 June. Do expect that it will extend for again and again because this thing has been ongoing actually for several years. But Phillips will always put a date here just in case they need to do any remedy of the market situation. So, but generally this thing has been ongoing for maybe 3 or 5 years, and they just keep extending each time when the dates draw near. To access this, you can just go to the Poems websites. Remember, it's very easy. Then click the promotions and scroll down and look for this $10 promotion. Commission starts from $10. So this is for This promotion is applicable to the unit shares, and once you click, you'll be bring to this page. So do take note of that. So unit shares, very likely the contract value is fall below 3,005 and less than 1,000 shares. Definitely it qualifies for $10 trades. Well, there are several of my friends like to buy unit shares to attend the AGM to understand what the company board of directors intention before they intend to purchase more shares. So this is one way you can really participate in the board meetings. Um, but of course, if you are going for investment, I won't suggest you to enter such a small amount. But if your intention was to attend the board meetings and to understand what the shares the company has to offer, for $10 fees, you get to have a seat. Sometimes um, there may be buffet as well. So a pretty good opportunity to evaluate if the shares you think is deserve some portfolio attention. I mean, in your portfolio, right? So this is how you can trade unit shares. So simply that is about all. Okay. So if you do not have a trading account, you can just give me a call at this number or drop me an email. We arrange for you. So if you have anything uncertain, you can just drop me an email as well. So that's all. So hope you guys understand how to trade unit shares in Poems 2.0. That's all. Goodbye.